Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to cancel account deletion in Darkest Days. In Darkest Days, if you are looking to cancel your account deletion, in Darkest Days, if you've previously deleted your account or accidentally requested to delete your account but has changed your mind, then you can easily cancel your account deletion. First of all, launch Open the Darkest Days game on your device. Once you're inside the login page, go ahead and select the sign-in method that you've previously used for your deleted account. Once you do that, you'll see this Waiting for Account Deletion tab. To cancel the account deletion, click on Cancel Deletion in yellow. Soon after you do that, you will be able to cancel your account deletion in Darkest Days. You can now go ahead and start the game and resume from where you left off. So that's how you cancel your account deletion in Darkest Days. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.